Friday, the rep is cool. Watch out. Get him on video, What's up, everyone? Welcome to Coke Vlogs. We here with another day at the car show. We live. Oh, look at that little motorbike. Them bitches, Watch out, bro. Oh.
Ain't nobody going nowhere. Everybody who leaving, they just gotta go to work. We got like 15 other cars that's on the way. They broke the window of my mustache.
Boy got the 40. That boy got the. Oh, stop flying. Back to back and shit, you know. We got the gang out. You know we got the gang out. You know we got the gang out. I ain't even play like they ain't around. Don't play like yeah. Oh, you see that? The wide gauge cluster looks like one SS. One SS. No, that don't mean nothing, bro. I done seen two SS. Go drive. that bitch in the street like, no, bitch, don't do that. Whoop. See, when I put that bitch in all the scoreboard lines, that bitch loose. If I don't have that scoreboard, it be loose.
It's about to be a good one. It's about to be a good one. I got my money on the vet.
You like him? I'm broke. You ain't trying to spend that bread.
You ain't not about to bet on that cheese. I don't even know how they even reach. Boy, that ain't even a reach.
Take that bet for 5.
Who you like? Who you like? He won't bet me, he like him.
You like him for 5, bro. Just see what, bro.
The vet nice?
Is it nice? Hold it. If you lose, I got 5 on your loss.
Facts. Real shit.
Easy.
We about to see this.
I'm watching that boy too. Don't run. Don't run on.
He getting the money out.
I got you. Facts. What the fuck? Bro, I thought that ball purged and I was about to say, Lord. Bro, that vet all day. Let's go.
Oh yeah!
Easy.
Stop playing!
Hell no.
Oh, that's bull. That's. Got left.
You got nitrous.
Yeah, that boy got his chain right where he wanted, huh? Yeah. That was that. That was he making all that noise. That bitch.
That bitch is hook and went.
Yeah.
Nigga said raise that.
Well, I got 250. That's Dan, isn't it? Yeah, I'm straight. I'm stopping.
Yeah.
I'll go do the nap. I'll go do the nap. But it's yeah.
Watch out, I gotta get this one. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Slow ass Honda.
Boy, shit came up in flames. Boy, it's lit out here. Illegal street racing. It's lit. It's lit. All cars out tonight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You about to cut up, bro.
Oh, what the fuck?
We're gonna mess up his work truck. Cool, gang. Thank y'all for watching the Best Car Show. I will be back with more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I will have my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat down below in the description. We will be back. Gang! I'm out.